Hi all, myself Gunjan. Today I am going to share some basics of drawing. Whatever you want to draw, it's Wurli, mandala, Zentangle, freehand sketching or any art form, these basic techniques will help you a lot. So let's start. First, I would like to share the technique of holding your pencil or pen. There are basically two techniques to hold the pencil. The first one is the writing grip, which we are doing since our childhood, and the other one is the hold hand grip. Let's talk about the first technique, the writing grip. In writing grip, we use our index finger, middle finger and thumb. This trio is also known as the tripod grip. Let's try this. If you hold your pencil from your tip side in the tripod grip, whatever you write or whatever you draw is in some darker shade, darker tone. And in this tripod grip or writing grip, if you hold your pencil from bottom side, you will get lighter shade. Right? Now let's talk about second technique, that is whole hand grip. In whole hand grip, you need to hold your pencil with index finger and the thumb, and you need to use your middle finger to push the pencil like this. But what about these two, ring finger and little finger? We said it whole hand grip. Yes, they are very important. These two fingers, the ring finger and the little finger, will lie on your sketching sheet. Middle finger will help to rotate your pencil, and your index finger and your thumb will hold your pencil like this. There are some basic exercises which you do daily to improve your drawing. The first one is to rotate your wrist. You need to rotate your wrist, and you need to draw circles while rotating your wrist. You need to draw it daily. You need to draw ovals while rotating your wrist. Then you need to draw straight line while rotating your wrist, and you need to draw sleeping line while rotating your wrist. The important thing, when you start any art form, make it as a habit that you draw every day. You make drawing a daily routine. Take 5 minutes from your busy schedule, at least 5 minutes for your hobby, for your drawing. Create an easy and fast drawing. The most important thing, remember that no one is perfect, and do not compare your drawing with anyone, but do compare your drawings with your older ones. These are some basics of any art form. So if you want to be an artist, please do follow these tips. Thank you.